Alright guys, we got in the house. We came pick up some loose things out in the yard before the storm. So this is Thomas's room. He's got a big old closet. This wall will keep the bathroom view from the living room. So it's a Jack and Jill bathroom here. We go through. This is Sean's room. And his closet. So this is the living room. The island, so the sink and dishwasher will be here. The stove behind it. The refrigerator is like way over here in this area. See him making fun of me, huh? This is the master. You can see it a little bit better with all the braces. So then this is our bathroom, which you have to go through the bathroom to get to the closet. Pretty cool. And then through the kitchen, down this hallway, then this little area here will be the pantry. I guess this is where maybe the HVAC will go. Third bathroom. This will be my office. And then this is the utility room. So this will be nice. It's getting exciting, guys. We came pick up, they had the screens and stuff laying around, and it's going to be pretty stormy, so oh wait, he's decorating, guys. What you gonna put there? Oh, he's deciding which wall he wants the television on. Okay, probably on this wall, that way we don't have to hear it in our bedroom. So, I don't know, will our dining room table fit in here? We have a square table.
Yes, it's going to fit there.
We're definitely not going to have as many cabinets as we had before. Because this showed like the refrigerator here in the plans, and then this is a countertop, so I guess it'll have upper and lower. And then to the front door. Are you gonna put that those doorknobs and stuff?
Yeah, I'm going to put that in here too.
Oh look, he left the plans.
Yeah, it's been there.
And then you just sit on the porch. They left all the doorknobs and everything. The screens were against the dumpster. They have the roofing, the siding, all that stuff here, but there's also the doorknobs and stuff. Okay. So they have to come finish this part, the soffits. These two are gonna get demolished. So we have a nice little old neighborhood for the most part. Listen to the birds. So, and then the ramp will come off here. Look at the weather coming. we're on our way to my mom's to fix a window we had to break out because she locked herself out. So that don't look like enough doorknobs.
The deadbolt.
Oh, that's not interior doorknobs.
Huh?
Not
No,
for
that's for the.
the outsides. I guess he's expecting me to pick that up. Are you expecting me to pick that up?
Very heavy. Pick it up with one hand.
It ain't heavy. I could pick it up with one hand. But they're all not together. That man. Jeez. Oh, it's the nice neighbor.
Them things put it right there.
Put what things
Them other
on
ones against the wall.
these? Just trying to clean up before this wind comes through and blows everything. Guess they'll think somebody's. Hope they don't think somebody stole the knobs and stuff.
You can close the door. Just push that plastic piece in.
All right, guys. Excuse me. Excuse me. I have to put the phone down. I'm gonna get the camera to hubby. Here.
See if she knows what she's doing. I gave her instructions, but you know how women are. Wow, she's amazing. She did it.
I am amazing.
Damn.
You should know that by now.
That's the problem.
See, I'm men or some. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. Ooh, be careful, they get nails everywhere. Alright, well. This is the siding?
It's probably you got to cut it to the facial.
Uh-huh.
And the other ones is for the
Underneath. Yeah. This concrete is going to get soaking wet.
already covered it. You keep on coming every time I come. I see the boats they had left over. Another somebody stole them.
I want to put a fence here. Our property goes all the way pretty much to his house. So he wanted us to sell him a couple feet. But, you know, hey, you never know. The price is right. Oh, good. He started cleaning the fence. He's so sweet. This is all the stuff for the ramp. Oh, look, the sun's trying to peek through. Well, hopefully, none of this stuff will get damaged. So, you know what? So this is much further back. Before you used to see out their porch. So the house is much further back. So all we see is the side of their garage. So that's good because we can make a quaint little quiet area back here. Yeah, because we used to be able to see his porch from outside. So it was much further up. So,
The only thing I don't like is the woody steps.
well, we're just gonna have to keep treating him. He doesn't like that. We had like cement steps. So before,
If they'd have left my thing, I could have put them cement steps in the front.
but
They
when they demolished the house, ooh, look, it's sun. I don't think it's gonna last for long. And y'all, I'm so excited. Gotta pull all this down, but they saved my old, very old clothesline. I don't know how happy that makes me, especially during hurricane season, because it gets. Honey, do you have a knife? They have some of that plastic over there. Here. That's not going to keep that down. Look, right here. So, the air conditioner will go there, off the ground, elevated. Oh, wait, let me show them.
Many raptors he give you?
Wait, look. This is the recipe to my roof. The recipe to the roof. That one on the side's still going to get all messed up. But, oh well. No, this one's not. The bottom one right here.
Okay. Probably holding. All right, let's go.
All right, now we're off to Grandma's to fix her window before the weather gets bad.
Yeah, now she know how to get in the house. I never told her.
It's okay. I got to see it. I'll have to show Thomas the view because Thomas wanted to see. And I guess I'll figure out where we put the stuff. I mean, that was just begging for somebody to take them. Leaving them there. All right. Let's take a quick look. I know. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.